Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tabe Comfort. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a motivational speaker. I live in Paris. I'm a French citizen origin from Cameroon. Please may you subscribe to my channel. For those who are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. For those who are not yet subscribed, please may you subscribe. Today's video we are going to be eating our breakfast. It's a mukbang breakfast video. See what we have here for our breakfast. Tell me in the comment section if this breakfast is too much or is enough for a day. Here we have a roasted fish, 2 slices of roasted fish. We have plantain. We have avocado. We have onions. We have tomatoes, and we have our pepper sauce. So let's eat. We have fish, plantain, pepper sauce, tomatoes, onions, and avocado. Leave a comment in the comment section below if this breakfast is too much or is enough. The pepper sauce is so spicy. I love avocado. Onions is always good with roasted fish. Let me change my position of sitting. And I have my bottle of water to drink. Have you ever seen plantain beans fried this way? Look how it is. You slice it in the middle. You don't have to slice it the way you slice dodo. This one, after peeling the plantain, you slice it in the middle. Cut it in two. And you drop it in the warm oil. You fry it half cooked. You remove it from the oil. You press it to become flat. Then you fry it again. It is called banane pilé in French. The onions is so good. This is my Sunday morning breakfast. I didn't go to church today. Very delicious. Avocado. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment in the comment section below. And also suggestions on videos you wish me to do.